45. I have 3 kids. It's time. It's time for me. I am really excited. I'm about to start my journey with the Noom GLP-1 Program. I decided to do this really to gain some confidence back that I feel like I haven't had in several years. I'm 45 now and I have 3 kids. It's really been about them for several years, and I really wanted to do something for myself this year to get out of my head and enjoy life more and be more in the moment. It feels like my body, my weight, my confidence are really holding me back. I decided on the Noom GLP-1 Program specifically because I'm looking for an approach from many different angles. Obviously, there's the medication, which I'm really excited to try. They don't just send you medication and then leave you on your own. There's lessons, there's psychology, ways to track your food, exercise. There's a whole section on gaining and keeping muscle while you're on GLP-1s, which I find to be really important. I used to be athletic. I was a gymnast and a soccer player, so I really want to get back to that body style. But there's recipes and a community and all kinds of support. So I feel like this is really going to be the year that it works out for me. My first shipment of my medication arrived today, so I'm going to open it up and show you what's inside. We have a bag that has alcohol prep pads in it, and the syringes are in there as well. On a brochure thing. Oh, there's pictures from the app, information about the medication. Okay, and the best part, medicine. My first vial, and that's where the medication will come from. So here's to the beginning. I am back to tell you about my 4 weeks using the Noom GLP-1 Program. I have loved it. The injections I was nervous about. I'd never done that before. That was so simple. It didn't hurt. I was really nervous about side effects, being nauseous or not feeling like I can do life or participate normally, but I haven't felt that at all. I've lost 4.5 pounds over the 4 weeks. This feels like a healthy rate at which to lose, but I do know that I have gained muscle as well as lost fat, and I see that in the body scan program inside the app, as well as just how my clothes are fitting, which was my main goal in the first place. Even though I'm not to a point where I feel like my appetite is really changed that much, I'm still eating 3 meals a day and some snacks here and there. I do feel like it's easier to make better choices. I don't feel so consumed by the bad choices that I used to make. Like, I don't feel powerless, I guess, with what I'm choosing to eat. And I know that has to do with the medication. It has to do with the app. All of it is so good. And I am so excited to share next month.